What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Just a really quick video today. In a previous video I talked about these wipers for my Cobra and how the OEM wipers are different. These are the Motorcraft replacements. They do fit. I'm gonna put a part number down there and maybe leave a link in the description where you can pick them up. In contrast, here are the OEM style Trico wipers that are on our Mustang GT. Forgive the pollen here, this is springtime, but these are just like the OEM Tricos, and you can see that they are noticeably different looking than the replacement Motorcraft. Now, we all know that Cobras had special wipers, and kind of excited for this one. Let's get over to the bench. So here they are, OEM 2003-2004 Motorcraft wipers by Vallejo. They do have those aerofoils which came on these cars, only on these cars when they were brand new, and I was able to pick up a set from a buddy of mine who had a Terminator, and they came with the car. He sold the car, he still had them, and he knows that I just love these type of things. So I don't know if I'm gonna even put them on the car. I might just save them. They do look really cool. You are able to refill these. These, I believe, are 8mm Trico cut to fit refills. You can do that. They work really well. And as you can see, they are the same length as the OEM wipers with the aerofoils on them. It just looks really cool when you see a car that still has these. So I don't know, maybe I'll put them on just for like shows and stuff. These are pretty much brand new, so I mean, for the amount of time this car actually does see rain, it's not a big deal. I just think it's super cool, and thank you to my buddy for selling these to me. Like I said, I'm probably just going to put them back in the package and put them up in, probably in the cabinet here, just to keep them clean, and maybe put a fresh set of refills on it. And by the way, I will leave a link in the description where you can get those 8mm Trico cut to fit refills if you are fortunate enough to have these still with you. So just like I said, just a quick video. I think it's really cool to when you come across these. And if you have any questions about them, do me a favor, leave them in the comment section down below, and I'll do my best. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.
eventually